This is Team Ambition, live from the Dallastown area middle school TV studios. And these are your morning announcements!
Good morning. I'm Yeliana.
And I'm Olivia.
Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and it is a cycle day 2.
Today's lunch features beef walking tacos with fresh diced tomatoes, shredded romaine lettuce, sour cream, and salsa.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
We begin today with a special message from our cross-country team.
On Saturday, the cross-country team stormed into Gettysburg for the Flat and Fast Gettysburg Invitational. It was hardly a battle for the Lady Wildcats as they defeated all 24 teams easily. Reagan Durgee and June Revert broke out to an early lead and cruised ahead of the 300-runner field for a sub-12-minute 1-2 finish. Adeline Stockton was close behind, finishing 4th. Willow Dean medaled with 12th place finish, and Ava Ariosa finished right out of the medal contention, finishing 23rd. Almost all of the girls ran personal best times, with Willow Dean, Adeline Stockton, Annie Lawyer, Maggie Marsala, Alexis Spicer, and Emily Nichols having personal best times of more than 30 seconds. The boys also battled hard. James Steffenson was the lone Wildcat top 20 medalist out of the near 400-athlete field. However, the tight pack of Paxton Keller, Asher Gerard, Landon Bashir, Adam Grindle, and Cooper James enabled the boys to finish third out of 24 teams. Like the girls, almost all the boys had personal best times. Significant personal best times greater than 30 seconds include Asher Gerard, Cooper James, Paxton Keller, Hiram Tetchert, Owen Rickles, Aiden Paul, Colin Weld, Benton Slut, Vishesh Jindal, Gus Lip, and Owen Cover. Great job, Wildcat and Lady Wildcat runners, and good luck on the last week of your season. We now go back to the news desk.
If you are planning to try out for winter sports, you need to check your email from October 1st for all information and details regarding sign-ups, rank 1 registration, and sports physical deadlines are approaching. So make sure you don't miss out.
Open gym for girls interested in playing basketball will begin on October 6th and run through November. Open gyms will be held on Monday and Wednesdays after school until 4:30 p.m.
You will meet in the middle school gym. Please make sure you are wearing proper basketball attire. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Ms. Day.
Today we send happy birthday shout-outs to Thomas Lau, Oliver Loiza, and Reed Matthews, and Charlie Weaver. We hope you have a great day.
We will now go to Ms. Carter and Ms. Johnson for Tuesday Trivia.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Mrs. Johnson.
Hello.
Thank you for being here today. We're going to do some Tuesday trivia, but before we get to that, we're going to talk about some fun things we have coming up for our kids. So you are the coach or the leader of our PBIS committee. And for our kids who don't remember what that is, that's the committee of teachers that puts together all of the fun, like Wildcat Way Days. What else? Weekly paw drawings.
Yep, and we've got a big pizza party coming up.
This Friday, pizza party. Make sure you have those paws turned in for that.
Yep. And then we just started our Kona Ice.
Yeah, so that was a big hit. We tried that for the first time with teams. Let me remember, Excel, that's your team.
That was my team, yep.
Excel and Synergy, and I think it went really, really well.
I think so too. I think the kids really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was great. So we're going to keep doing that. I think it's every other day, 6.
Yep.
So next time that's going to roll around is November 10th, and our 2 teams will be, you want to say?
Velocity and Endeavor.
Yeah, so they're going to get probably some flyers or some things to take home about that. But I think that's really exciting. And I think by middle of January, sometime around then, every team will have had a chance by then. And we found out this was awesome. Kona actually gave away some free
They did.
ices, so you could even be a winner.
You could be.
It's so awesome. One more thing coming up on October 14th. What's that?
Our best day ever.
Yeah, so that's with our fundraiser, kind of like the culminating celebration of the fundraiser. Everybody gets to participate, even if you didn't participate in the fundraiser. Everyone does that. But then we kind of combine that with a Wildcat Way Day.
Yes, it'll be so much fun.
It's going to be all day long. We have lots of activities. There's going to be bounce houses, movie playing in the auditorium. Speaking of movie, we have 2 options for a movie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to email a survey out to students, totally optional. But for that Wildcat Way Day, take a look in your email, probably later this morning, for a very quick survey where you're going to pick between 2 movies. So that'll be fun because we just want to make sure kids have, what they would prefer.
A good selection.
Yeah, and we actually have 4 different showings of the movie that day. It's not all the teams at one time.
Right.
So we could even switch it up.
Ooh.
Like if a certain teams, vote for different ones, we could do that.
Cool.
That would be really fancy.
Very.
I think we can figure it out though. All right, without further ado, that was a lot of PBIS things. We do so many awesome things
So
for
much
our
fun.
kids. Thank you for taking charge in that group,
Sure
Mrs.
thing.
Johnson, because so many cool things come out of there. Anyway, today is National Chocolate Covered Pretzel Day.
My favorite.
And I learned that this morning that is one of your favorites or the favorite.
Probably the favorite.
The favorite
Yep.
treat. So all the kids, if they're ever looking to, give you something,
A little something. Yep.
chocolate covered pretzels would be it. Good to know. All right, so first, the first question I was going to ask for trivia was going to be, where were pretzels, not necessarily chocolate covered pretzels, but just pretzels in general, where were they created originally? Because I always thought I knew the answer to that. Well, I always like to fact check myself before trivia because I don't want any kind of controversy.
Right.
And then when I looked that up, I found out there's not a clear answer to that. So,
I like that.
Yeah, so that couldn't be our question. But without further ado,
All right, let's do
we're
it.
going to get to the actual question. Let me go to our dice roller here. We're going to take emailer number. Oh, it's loud today.
That is very loud.
Emailer number 16.
16.
Hopefully we can count
Whoa.
that high.
Okay.
Math teacher.
I got it.
Former math teacher. I
Yep.
think we can figure it out.
We
All
can
right.
do
Emailer number 16. Email Miss Cartwriter. Here is your question. Do you want me to ask it or
Go
do you
for
want
it.
to? Okay.
You've got a lot.
What?
Just a lot of questions on there.
A lot of.
I
What's,
just want to make sure it's the right one.
is today October 7th?
It is.
Okay, then
You're
it's
good.
the right one.
Okay.
All right.
Go.
So, a little bit of controversy, not controversy, but unclear information where pretzels were originally created. I looked up, and some places said France. I saw Germany. I saw Italy. Lots of different, so unclear origins. But there's one immigrants from one certain country who brought pretzels into America, what would be, I guess, present-day United States. Wasn't called the United States at the time. But from what country did those immigrants come who brought pretzels and introduced them to our country?
Okay.
And it was way back in the 18th
And not
century.
chocolate pretzels. Covered pretzels.
I mean,
Just
maybe.
regular
I don't know.
pretzels.
It just pretzels in general. Maybe with chocolate, maybe not. But this was way back in the 18th century.
Yeah.
Also known as 1700s. That was before I was born.
Way before.
Before I think most of our teachers here were even born. So let's see. Number 16.
All right.
All right. They think they know. Let's see if we can count this high. Who was number? Oh, Mrs. Santoro, you were number 1. Little too fast today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. Uh-oh.
Oh,
It's really quiet.
that new phone.
My new phone's acting up.
Hello?
Hi, who's this?
Oh, this is Mrs. Connors from Team Velocity.
Hello, Mrs. Connors from Team Velocity. What, folks from which country brought pretzels to us?
Oh, my class is ready. The folks are from?
Germany. That is correct. Great job, Team Velocity. Spirit points for you. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Mrs. Johnson, what a great day. Hopefully you can find some chocolate-covered pretzels
I
at
hope
some
so.
point today. I'm sure there's some somewhere in our building. Have a great day, everybody.